A fine afternoon to all you punters out there, and welcome to another edition of the Anti-Post Show on the big upcoming race, the big election. Now, what we have here is one of Snoopy Snoop Riley's videos yet again, and what Snoop's done is he's captured the aftermath of the big television debate. This was the 5 minutes or so after the debate had been completed, the discussion, call it what you will. Now, what Snoop's caught here is on the left, of course, the Prancer in the blue cup, and in the middle, nearby, the big brown beastie in his red cup. To the right, well, that's where the unicorn should be, but the unicorn isn't in his cup, because he actually, in the aftermath of the debate, found himself not like the other two. You may well say they're stuck in the stalls, they're stuck in the pit lane. No, the unicorn, incredibly, is bathing, literally bathing in the light of what a lot of punters out there, experts, are saying was an absolutely magnificent performance. Now here you can see, there's the big, we can actually see better, there's the actual spotlight on him, you know. It's a big light, and he's absolutely glorying in it. And what he's doing here now is he's taking the acclaim. We never thought we'd see that, but he's literally taking the acclaim. People are coming from all over to praise this amazing performance he gave. Here's a constituent here now. He approaches, and look at that. He bows in front of the unicorn, gives him a praise. Praise be's his name. And now, of course, what happens is it causes a sort of human train of devotion almost. For here's the great social activist herself, Miss Amelia Hairball, now of course a grand old dame of democracy, and then she too has come up to give honour. You know, it wouldn't be surprising if even the highest would do such a thing as come and acclaim the big unicorn. And of course, there she is, Her Majesty herself. Can you see her there? Well, she's come from the palace, and she's saying, "That was a magnificent performance, unicorn. I must make my way back to the palace." And don't be fooled, it's not confined just to this country. Sure, even this gentleman here, now it's quite hard for Snoop to get in perspective because he's a big chap, but he's come all the way from Africa, interrupting his meal, coming over saying, "You're some man, you're some man." And down he goes and gives a unicorn praise. What was very interesting, I thought, was this here now was an actual human being. An actual human being who appears here. There he is, you might see him close up. Now what he does is quite extraordinary, because he goes down and he actually he kisses the very ass of the unicorn, and then off he goes. And next in line was, hey, look at this, would you believe it? Remember that little fellow, he was on an earlier show, in jail, doing time for committing a crime. But look, he's seen it in his cell, and he's saying, "Look, you were inspiring," and away he goes. But really, to rub it in, I think this says it all about just how far he's come in this TV debate. This gentleman's just walking by, but he looks, he sees the unicorn, and he immediately bows to the ground in front of him. I'll leave it there, folks, because I never seen it coming. Is he going to be the dark horse, or who knows? Not for me to say. You decide. I'll speak to you next time. Have a very nice weekend now.